Hi, welcome back to the channel, Work In, Work Out, where you put the work in when you do the work out. My name's Charles, and this is my fitness journey, and I'm recording it and keeping you informed about all the different things that I like. As you might have seen from a previous video, I really like to work out in a number of different ways. If you check out my IG story, that's Work In, Work Out TV, that's Work In, Work Out TV on Instagram. You'll see that I try all sorts of different types of fitness, skipping, weights, cardio, calisthenics. But this video is about where do old trainers go, or old sneakers as some of you call it, where do they go when they die? You know, what's their birthplace after death, the resurrection? So what I found is one of my main sports as well, because I kind of see myself as an omni-fitness person, is basketball. And you know, when you perform basketball, you've got to perform at a really high level. You know, you need to be agile, you need ankle support, but really importantly, you need a lot of grip. And what I find is, being a sneakerhead, self-confessed sneakerhead, I love Jordans. Those are like my favourites, but there are a bunch of other trainers that I own. You know, some of the big names, LeBrons, Kobe's, that sort of thing. And I'll be showing you those in a series of videos coming up, kind of under fashion and footwear in terms of my fitness journey. But where do those sneakers go to die after you've been playing with them, but you can't really play with them anymore because maybe they've lost a little bit of traction? So this video is an unboxing of an old sneaker that's died a death, certainly when I was playing basketball, because the traction had gone a little bit. So let's see what it is. So it feels exciting to be breaking out some old trainers again. These ones are Jordans, but which Jordans are they? Or maybe you saw it in the thumbnail, so maybe it's a bit of a giveaway, but let's have a look anyway. So if I can't use my trainers back on the basketball court, then I use them in the gym. What do I sometimes use in the gym? These Jordan 6 rings. Now I think these are one of the best Jordans released out of the entire range. Now my favourites are Jordan 11s, and as you can see, these are quite largely based on Jordan 11s, but it incorporates so many other sneakers into it as well. So you get the whole story. I mean, okay, they don't smell as good as they did when I first got them, but unboxing them again for the first time after not wearing them, because I've been wearing some other trainers around here, but these ones I'm going to use today on my leg day workout. Let's put the box down here. But what you get is, I don't know how well you can see this here, but this is the story of the 6 rings achievements of the Chicago Bulls and Michael Jordan, Scottie Pippen, Dennis Rodman, all of those guys. You know, Tony Kukoc was in there. You had Steve Kerr, John Paxson, Ron Harper, Luke Longley, Bill Wennington, Cartwright, Horace Grant, B.J. Armstrong, Randy Brown, I think his name was? Something Brown. All of those guys that I came to love watching. This storied kind of insert paper that goes in the box tells you about some of the different achievements they had. It says here MVP, so obviously that's Michael Jordan, gold medal from the Olympics. You've got one of the sort of Jumpman logo where he's jumping toward the basket up here. It's got one of the rings from a 6 Rings campaign. It's got a 93 in here. It's got some kind of dinosaur in there. I'm not sure what that one's doing in there. I haven't really seen that before. It's got another one here which looks like a sun rays, what looks like a bird, and some like a multi-pointed star, or maybe fire going around it with some other stars up in the corner. If you know what it is, let me know. My guess is maybe it's a phoenix, maybe after Michael Jordan retired, was it in 93, then came back in 96 for that run to go back for some rings. Here we've got Seattle. We know they beat Seattle in the finals. This is the Sears Tower in Seattle here. We've got a basketball with a ring around it, a bit like Saturn. I mean, those guys are on another planet, 72 and 10. Amazing achievement in terms of their win-loss record. So this is probably one of the best insert papers that I've got. What stories can you spot from that iconic run that the Bulls, that Michael Jordan and the Bulls had over the years? This storied paper that comes in a box of the 6 Rings trainers is just great. It's absolutely just a wonder and a joy to be able to own, and unboxing these old trainers again to wear for gym is a real pleasure. I thought I'd show you a close-up of this so you can enjoy it, just in case you don't have a pair of 6 Rings. And as for the trainer, I really love it. I mean, when I saw these on the shelves many years ago, I thought to myself, what a great idea. What a great idea for a sneaker. And they look good. I mean, aesthetics are important. So, you know, if you're working out and you like fashion, you like to look good in terms of your body, but also in terms of what you're wearing, you know, breaking out some old sneakers that you really enjoy is a great way to go. With these, what can I say? I mean, it's got so many features from all the different Jordans. I mean, like I said, the main silhouette is like your Jordan 11s, which are my personal favourites, with the patent leather band coming around the sneaker. We've got the sort of logo here and this nice texture at the front on the tongue. We've got the 2-3 along the front there, which I think was on the Jordan 12s, which are another one of my favourites. Not so much to play because they're a bit heavy for my foot, but I love the silhouette of those Jordan 12s, and yeah, another championship winning sneaker for Jordan and as well. The grip. This is the reason that we're seeing these trainers in this video, because as much as I like playing in these, not only do they look good on the shelf, but when I actually broke them out on a basketball court, they were really good to play, and the grip was actually better than the Jordan 11s, upon which they were sort of mainly based. The grip here is, I think, got the silhouette of the 13s, I believe, 13s or 14s. But the grip on these was excellent. I don't know if it's to do with this channel that runs down and across right there, but when I wore them, they gripped so well. So it really hurt me when they actually lost traction and they didn't perform as well, which happens to all trainers if you wear them enough eventually. So it's perfect for the gym, because in the gym you don't need that much grip. What you need in the gym is maybe some ankle support, something that looks good, and you know, a trainer that isn't completely falling to pieces. You know, just something that you know you can wear whatever you want to wear it in gym, or walk to it with the gym, but you're not going to put the sneaker under the same amount of pressure as you do playing at a recreational level or a high level in a basketball court. So when you're done using your sneakers in the way that you ideally want them to, if you use them for performance like I used to, you can use them in the gym and just feel good and still enjoy the trainers, because you know, nowadays with the prices going up, you know, you want to get the most out of them, right? And then if you've got a collection like I do, you can just cycle through them. But yeah, I love these trainers, down to the little button we got at the front, which kind of holds the laces in place. To be honest, I don't know if it actually does much, but it looks great, and it's a hark back to you know, earlier Jordans of old. This strap here doesn't do a whole lot. This bit here was another bit that disappointed me in terms of performance. I've actually been through a couple of pairs of Jordan, what are these again? Sorry, 6 rings, because the first ones I had, they broke on me. I pulled them tight, and up here, this ringlet, it's actually made out of plastic. Now, I don't know if on the original 12s, which this ringlet here is based on, if they're made out of a metal. I mean, the ones I've got on my ones upstairs are plastic actually, and this one's plastic, but it actually sheared off, it actually came off. So that was really disappointing, so I had to take them back, get a new pair, and this is probably my second or third pair of 6 rings in a Concord black-white colorway. So where the trains go to die, they get reborn, they come to live in the gym. So like I said, today is my leg day, so I'll be using these to do my various different exercises. I'm going to do a little, maybe a few lunges, get the legs warmed up. Something with the bands maybe. Deadlifts is one of my favourites on leg day. But yeah, there you have it. A kind of an unboxing of a dead, what was a dead sneaker that I'm going to use in my gym. I'll be using some other Jordans which I might feature and do videos on those as well. But these ones I've been really happy to unbox today, really excited that I get to wear them again. Just joking with you guys. Right, drop a like if you enjoyed the content. Do share it with anyone else that you think might want to break open that old sneaker collection. Do drop a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you like to use in the gym. Are you using any old retros, or are you more of a new sneakerhead and you're using some new sneakers in the gym? Although I like to break out the old ones because I've got stock of them that I don't use to play basketball anymore with. And subscribe for the next content. I'm going to do a series on these, so you're going to see some more trains I've got in my collection that I'm going to feature that I use when I'm working out here at home on Workout TV. Take care of yourselves, and hope to see you next time.